Hello, everyone, and welcome to The Space Between. Welcome to the last video series on depression. Parentheses, wouldn't that be awesome? This past Sunday morning, I was at my desk writing a blog post when thoughts showed up and gave me clear instructions to record video clips of sounds. There wasn't anything else, no more details. I could have easily ignored it. Probably have a million times before. This time I knew without a doubt that it was an opportunity, and I followed the instructions. You may be wondering, what exactly do I mean by thoughts showing up that aren't mine? My favorite metaphor for how our thinking works is a river flowing through us, a river of infinite possibilities of thought. What I experienced was creativity being separate from my thinking, as if it has a life of its own. That may sound crazy, but there's no other way to describe it. It's happened before. On my way home from work last year, I heard instructions on creating artwork by cutting out strips of pages from a magazine. It was precise details that seemed to be from a different space. Here's the results. Before I share the final results of the latest creation with you, I need you to consider something. We were once very curious children. Thoughts moved effortlessly through us. We would draw anything or do any crafts without hesitation. We didn't think if we were good enough to do anything. We just did it. What if we innocently lost our natural ability to be curious as we once were as children because of our thinking? Growing older doesn't mean that we have to lose anything we had as children. When a child doesn't know how to do something, they ask a question. My question to you is, are you ready to learn how our thinking works? Are you ready to experience freedom from anxiety and depression, fear and phobias, addictions and unwanted habits? The voice of creativity told me to record video clips of sounds. I planned to write a blog post, yet being spontaneous and creative sounded like fun, so I did it. The best part was that something beyond my ability to explain happened. I listened to inspiration, followed the instructions, and then created a video essay to let creativity live through me. I used my cell phone to record and the iMovie app on my computer to edit, and I had fun learning new things and trusting the process. Our thinking helps us navigate this reality, but please be open to what flows naturally down that river through you. You are infinite possibilities. Curiosity, creativity, wisdom, love, and clarity are not up to us. They flow through us. When we get out of the way, when we let that natural flow of life live us, things beyond our comprehension happen. Happy holidays from The Space Between.
Get your Mary on.
What the elf?
The Space Between.
No, messages.
Squirrel!
I can actually feel dizzy.
Everybody together! Sweet Caroline! Why do we have so many hammers? There's a space? The space between. The space between.
What the elf?